Welcome to Tech Vibes. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to turn off the voice guide on your Samsung Smart TV. If your TV keeps reading everything out loud, menus, volume levels, app names, don't worry. That's the voice guide feature. In this video, you'll learn 3 easy methods to disable it permanently. Microphone method 1. Turn off from settings. First, let's go through the settings menu. On your Samsung remote, press the home button. Open settings. Scroll down to general. Select accessibility. Choose voice guide settings. Switch the toggle off. Your TV will now stop announcing everything. Microphone method 2, shortcut with volume button. The second method is even quicker. Press and hold the volume button on your remote. An accessibility shortcut menu will appear. From here, just turn the voice guide off. This is the fastest way to disable it. Microphone method 3, using voice command. If your remote has a microphone button, you can do it with your voice. Hold the mic button. Say, turn off voice guide. Your TV will disable the feature instantly. And that's it. 3 simple ways to turn off the voice guide on any Samsung Smart TV. Which method worked best for you? Settings, shortcut, or voice command? Tell us in the comments. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.